Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can make your Samsung Galaxy S23 louder. So there is two ways for it, by the application and by the settings. We start from the settings method. So go to the settings and look for the sounds and vibration. Tap on it and slide down to the sound quality and effects. Now allow permissions, turn on the Dolby Atmos and open the equalizer. Now look which one from these options is the loudest one and keep it selected. That's it. You can also check that you have any volume limit. To do it, just open the volume in the sound section, tap on this red icon and medium volume with it. If you have any limit, just turn it off. This is the first method, but if that way is not enough for you, you can also try to download this app. This is the name of this app. Now just launch it, click no thank you 3 times and choose that you want to get a notification. Now close the window and tap on the OK. Now you can increase the volume speaker booster by this little slider. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.